Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an artist on Spotify, you might be looking for ways to update your profile picture, give your Spotify profile a fresh new look. Well, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your artist profile picture on Spotify and make sure you are representing yourself. So let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app. Now open it. Here you can find the A button at the top of your profile picture. Now tap on it. Here you can find the view profile option. Now tap on it. Next, here you can find the edit option. Simply tap on it and click on to the pencil icon just right here. This will open the option to upload a new image. Now tap one option. Make sure you choose a high quality image that represents you or your brand. Now select the image. You can also adjust the image however you want it to be. Just like this. Then tap on to choose. After that, select the save button and you are good to go. Now the image is being uploaded. Finally, the image has been updated. You can see the new photo updated on your profile. And there you have it. Changing your artist profile picture on Spotify is quick and easy when you know where to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.